Hey guys, Shawn over at Misfire. We've got two 2005 Subaru Outback XTs. Kind of a rare Subie that we don't see very many of. One of them is got a small lift, wheels, tires, and we're adding a downpipe, full exhaust, intake, and having Ben West do a quick pro tune on it. And the other one is in with super low mileage. It's kind of been sitting, so we're going to go through it and do spark plugs, oil change, and just kind of go through it and see how everything looks. But it's really cool to have two of the same car that you really don't see often here at the shop.